This video shows the user interface changes for the Reading List tool. You will see some of these changes in May and some of them in June. Starting in May, you will see the new Add Items screen, which highlights the many options that are available for adding items to a resource list. This screen will potentially look different depending on what has been configured for your institution. It's likely you won't see all of the options listed here. Library Search is the same library search that has always been available. You can click on the Back option or click on the Add Items button again to go back to the options. The Blank Form option will open up a blank form where you can fill in citation details. Starting in June, you'll notice that the Add File option will be moved up as we see here. You may not see the option to add files depending on how the Reading List tool is configured at your institution. When you add a citation, you have the option to choose Add and Close, which will add the citation to your list and close the right pane. Or you can click Add, which will add the citation to the list and leave the right pane open so you can add additional resources more efficiently. Going back, you also have the option to add things from your collection, which hasn't changed. You can also upload a file, assuming this is something your institution allows. In June, the file upload workflow will be adjusted. You will first upload the file, then fill in the details. This is important because the Reading List tool can often harvest information from the file, so we don't want you to spend a lot of time manually entering this information when it can often be done automatically. You may see a list of copyright options for uploaded files. If so, you can select the appropriate option. Again, you can choose Add and Close, or choose Add, which leaves this right pane open to add additional resources. You may see the options to add items from Mendeley, RefWorks, or Zotero. You can click on any of the options to add any relevant resources to the list by either dragging and dropping them or clicking on the resource and choosing Add or Add and Edit. In June, you'll also see a simplified view of the Reading List information, as you can see here. You can click More Info to see the full details, or click Less Info to collapse this information. In June, you'll notice that the left pane will be replaced with the menu icon you see here. Here you can navigate to your lists, your collection, or the Find List page. There's also a back arrow to navigate back to the list page. If you're used to using the Report option in the left pane to access student usage information, you can now see this information by clicking on the graph icon here. This will display usage information embedded within the list. We hope you'll find that these changes result in a streamlined experience using the Reading List tool. Thank you for watching.